Okay, so today we are going to cook sinigang na hipon in calamansi. Okay, so this is basically a shrimp in a sour soup. To start, let's prep the shrimp. So we're going to clean up this one, remove the head, and then remove the shell. Okay, when you hit the last part, push the tail, shake, and remove. Okay, you're not damaging the texture. From there, buckle up the shrimp, slice the top, over the top, then remove the intestines. From there, water, clean, and then push down. Now we have cleaned the shrimp. Make a very simple shrimp stock. Okay, this is the shells of the shrimp. Then we wash them. Wash. Then we will make a very simple and easy shrimp stock. So, turn on the heat. High heat. Add water. So this will become the soup of our sinigang. Salt. Season the water. Pepper. Mix. And then put the shrimp shells in. Okay? Bring this to the boil as quickly as you can. Now the water is boiling. Turn down the heat. Simmer. And then from there, remove the impurities. Remove this one as much as you can. And then cover. So we are going to simmer this one for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let us prepare the rest of the ingredients. Onions. We're going to use two types of onions, white and the red. The white gives the acidity, the red gives the sweetness. Okay? Don't slice too thin because this is a soup. Just slice it like that. Okay. Also the red. Okay, so now, let's go to the cooking station. Look at that. So this is now our shrimp stock. Turn off the heat and remove the shells. This will be the base of our soup. Turn on the heat. Then place the vegetables in the order of how long they will cook. Okay? Among the vegetables here, which one are we going to put first?
Eggplant.
No, we're going to put the onions first. Okay? Onions and the eggplant, yeah. Very good. Because they take the longest time to cook. Onions and the eggplant. Season them. Salt. Pepper. Mix. Green chili, okay? So first off, we have the onions, eggplant, and green chili. Bring this to boil. And when it comes to boil, we are going to add another ingredient. Cover to boil quickly. Then leave an opening so that the steam will go out of the opening. If you are going to cover it completely, then the soup will become watery because the steam will be trapped inside here. Then once the vapor is too much, then the water will come down. Okay? In that way, the soup will become watery. So that's why we need to have an opening. So that water vapor will come through this into the air. Okay? And that way, the soup will become more flavorful. Okay? So bring this one to boil. Now the water is boiling. Put the okra in. Bring this again to boil. 1 minute later, put the string beans. And then tomato in. Mix it all together. The bubbles here, these are impurities, okay? So we're going to remove this one. Now at this point, check for seasoning. We're going to check if the intensity of the flavors of the vegetables are exact. You can feel the flavor from the shrimp a while ago. From there, add your shrimps. This will literally take 2 minutes to cook. Shrimps in. Now we're going to make the soup a little bit sour. Turn down the heat to medium. Put the lemon juice in. The calamansi juice. So we add 3 first. 3. Then we check for...
Why not 4?
First, yeah. Then we check if the sourness is already okay. Let's check. Look at the shrimp. The shrimp is now cooked. So we're just going to turn down the heat to medium-low. Check if the sourness is already okay. Bits more. 5. Then, check if the sourness is right. So we added a total of 12. 12. Okay. Now the camera girl will check if the sourness, if the seasoning is right at this point. Okay? Okay na?
Lami.
Lami na.
Lami kayo.
Okay, but we are not done yet. Turn up the heat, and then final touch, we add a fish sauce. Fish sauce, okay? This will give a saltiness into our dish. Fish sauce in. Start with a couple tablespoons. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Okay. Then check if you get the desired saltiness. Then put the kangkong in. Turn up the heat to cook the kangkong. The sourness is okay. We need more saltiness, a little bit. Fish sauce. Mix. Then off the heat. Then serve. Wow, look at the color of the soup. Look at that. You can smell the fragrance in your nose. Okay, let's test. Vegetables. Shrimp. Then the soup. Okay. You can taste the sourness from the calamansi and also the saltiness from the fish sauce. The vegetables are well cooked, very awesome, and seasoned perfectly. Okay, so thank you for Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.